Well, so you can see this is more my mini lesson plan, the elements I'm taking. The objective of this game is to make the girl survive. I'm gonna give you right now a small sample of what I can do. What's up, my people? I don't know why YouTubers say that, but they say it a lot. And this is supposed to be like a parody of those guys. Oh, there it is. Doki Doki Literature Club. Kawaii! The objective of the game is to survive. Make this girl survive because they are in love with you for some reason. And you need to check what they are saying, what they are listen what they're saying, reading what they're saying, pick information, listen. After a while, we need to check what we were saying and to conversion where who gets the real information. The level of creativity and craftsmanship behind is amazing, and telling good story just goes non reading. She seems to remember no, I like a lot of things. Stories with these psychological elements. Listen to this dialogue. People, it's meta. Oh, so meta. You will thank me later, or you will blame me later for the psychological bills. Tsundere. The Japanese have this character type, tsundere. A girl who's aggressive, yet is very sweet. It's weird. In case you ask, beware of Monica. Beware of Monica. Beware of Monica. Yuri. Yuri. I hope this is a meta joke because if not, oh boy. This is gonna get interesting, I assure you. Sadly, all the time is limited and the will is strong, but you will see. After you listen to the students and make you fall in love with you, you make sure that they survive. It's possible to make the four survive, but if I know, some is gonna be the villain. I am pointing at him, her most likely, but you can see it because this is the past. I am a man from the past. Ooh. 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 I wonder who's the villain. I wonder. I wonder who's the villain. You're a bit short. I hope you don't make something like, I don't know, make yourself taller by stretching yourself. You will get a joke in a few sessions, I assure you. Oh yeah, I will assure you. And now a small minigame to learn words and write a poem. And what do you need to do with the writing? Words depending on the girl we want to make is Yuri. So what words do you think will we take? Huh? 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 Okay, this is getting meta. Stupid. And Monica, you are the devil in disguise.